Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have a lovely little quick project for you. So this is a paper bag and you can get these very easily from Amazon, eBay, stationers, all those sorts of places. And it's just a standard white paper bag. You can get them in brown, black, multicoloured, anything. But I had a few of these on hand left over from other gifts that I've given. And I thought, you know what, we just need a quick project. You know, this funny time between Christmas and New Year is when people are perhaps doing lots of crafting for future events. But maybe you've got, I don't know, a little gathering or a get together. But these are, you know, it's a quick put together project for that emergency moment. So you've got, you know, in the back of your head. So you can put all sorts in here. I'm just going to have a look and see. Yeah, one of those would fit in there. A full size Yankee candle is fitting in there. All sorts, good size. But you're not just going to give them a plain white paper bag because, you know, crafters, let's decorate. And I'm just going to put that flat again so it lies flat. And all I've got on here, a couple of bits of designer series paper, some ribbon and a stamp. And that is from the new Friendly Hello and Friendly Hello designer series paper, which it comes as a bundle free with a £90, €120 spend. So celebration kicking off on the 4th of January. So this is the stamp set. It's lovely. It's a photopolymer. So you can see what you're doing. Nice, lovely images. And the images are replicated so you can see the flowers. And then the bird, the little flower, I want to say the leaves are as well. Replicated throughout. So that's one side and the other. That one and the other, and it goes, there's the bird. So those are the two that I used on my other project, and then the reverse of those is like that. So lovely, soft and gentle colours. That's very pretty. Look at that with a little bluebird there, and the other side. And I think this is the one I used before. Those two are. And then this with the little dotty spots, and they're just nice, gentle, soft colours. I can tell you, I can't show you the inside of the catalogue, but I can tell you that the colours are basic black, which you obviously you can see here, then fresh freesia, granny apple green, petal pink, pool party, and shaded spruce. So very nice colours. So let me scooch that lot out of the way. And like I say, this is quick and simple tag. So what I've got is I've got two pieces of paper here that measure 2 inches by 5 inches. So that's 5 centimetres by 12.5. So two of those, and then a strip, I think it's 3 by 1.5. So 7.5 by about 4 centimetres. And I'm going to take both of these. Actually, I'm going to switch it so I've got there we go, a reasonably plain side so I can see. And I am just going to flagtail simply and easily for you. So you cut straight into the middle, and then you're going to cut from that cut in the centre down. And I'm holding both together just, well, for time more than anything, but it also does mean that I have identical sized flagtails. Okay, and then I'm going to get a little blob of glue on the back here. I only wanted a little one, and I'm just lining up those points there. So this flag tip with that one, and then I'm going to line this one up with this edge. And hope I'm not going to glue to my designer series paper, to my grid paper rather. So it just gets me a nice little shape like that. Very nice. Leave that glue to dry. And then with my stamp here, oh no, wrong stamp set. That's my stamp set for another project. I'm going to go with Hello Friend again because I just think it's fabulous. And I went with big flowers, but I might go with the little ones this time. And is that going to fit on there? It is. Helps if I get it the right way up. Oh dear. And what have I got here? Stays on should do. Stays on I find a little bit slippery. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes I can press down and it seems to slip a little bit. Yeah, it slipped under my fingers there. It's an okay impression. It's not the greatest. I think I might, you know, grab some memento, which if I could see it, I would. I can't see my memento. We're going to have to stick with this. And let's just get some little flowers. Yeah, I don't know if anybody else has the same thing with stays on it. Like I say, it just sort of skids. Weird. Like I say, it could just be me. Right, so hopefully that's dry now. And so this is Petal Pink. So I'm going to grab this ribbon here, which is Petal Pink. And then I want to have some tails sticking down. So we'll go for about there for the minute. Oh. And I want one of these colours that's going to stand out next to it. And I don't know which one to take. So I think Granny Apple Green's probably not going to do it. Is Fresh Freesia going to hold its own? Yeah, I think that could work. So, oh, let's tangle yourself up. So about there. Pop that away. And I've got a stapler over here, so I'm going to fold that one in half. Just staple it to the top. And we're going to cover all of this up in a minute. Fold this one in half. I'm not worrying about the tails just yet. See, I should have put the freesia on top. Silly Sam forgot. Let's do it this way. Staple that one on top, and then I'm going to sort out those tails in a second. I'm going to grab this. And I'm going to cover up where it's not straight at the top, and that staple. And then a whole host of these just kind of all over the place. And bring in my spare bag, because I have another, and pop it on there. And then I'm going to sort out all of the tails now, because they're just a little bit longer than I would want. And those, I think, are great, easy little tags for a plain bag. So I wonder if I've got any black bags. I did have black bags. Talk amongst yourselves. I have got a black bag. Let's swap one of these onto black and see what it looks like. I did the testing, so you don't have to. Let's see what it looks like. I hadn't thought to try it on a black bag. Just came to me in a flash. Ooh, just as nice. And yeah, I don't have any brown bags. I'd have tried that one as well. But yeah, just a nice way to pretty up a bag. So you put your goodies and treats inside, whatever you're putting in, stuff it with a little tissue, or, you know, close up your bag like that. Insta gift. And it didn't take too long either. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. I'll be back here on video the other side of the new year. So Friday I have my look back over 2021. I've done a look back for 21. This is kind of my personal inside look back. So watch for that on Friday. And yeah, see you in the new year. Bye.